Fuck, we really nailed the weather this morning. Look at this shit. Couldn't have picked a better day for a ride. We're just heading to go and get some fuel and go meet up with Andrew Reed from Sun City Harley with the brother-in-law Luke again today. There's a show and shine car and bike show down the Strand. So those two boys entered their bikes in. I didn't even know about it till last night, so I didn't enter, but I'm just coming along for the ride. Righto, we'll see you there. Oh yeah. And the motherfucker's not here yet.
6 months later.
So we're all fueled up, everyone's had a coffee and shit, and we're gonna go check out the Cyclones car show down at Jazeen Barracks. Apparently there's 200 and something entries into this, so it should be a pretty big turnout. Stage 5, baby. Have a listen to the rumble of 3 cammed up Harleys, 2 of them being 110s. That is a tough noise to beat. So for those of you wondering, those bars are 16-inch. The exhaust on Edie's bike is a Freedom. It's a 110 as well, so it's the S model. He's done fucking heaps to that. It's got the slam tail kit in it, the big fucking fat spoke wheels and stuff, a saddleman seat. I don't know what else he's done to it. So both these lads I've finally talked into catching up with 21st Century and getting a Cena each. So we'll be able to have a yarn and do some, you know, vlogs. Get these lads on there so you can listen to the stupid bullshit we talk, but that should be good fun. Luke's got his, he got a Built-Well lane splitter helmet. He's not running it today, and yeah, Eddie's gonna get one as well, so that should be cool. Yeah, so once everyone's running Cenas, we don't have to have a crystal ball to figure out what the fuck everyone's sign language means too. Yeah, well, you know, the obvious one, I need fuel, but the rest of it, you dead set need a crystal ball to understand what the fuck everyone's trying to say to each other, so should make for a more enjoyable ride. But Luke's pretty keen to come on some long rides too. We're going to go up to like Springmount Raceway and shit, like go and watch the drags and go up to Cairns, do some longer rides. Just having a look.
Are you recording?
Yeah. So this is downtown Townsville. That sounds fucking weird when you say it out loud. Magpie just attacked that fucking dude on a push bike. Good work, buddy. So I'll have to do a video on dangerous animals in Australia, because magpies are fucking up there. Oh, have a look at this. H. Cayman Arrow. That is smick. 1968. GDS too. I had one of them. Beautiful. That is classic Aussie muscle right there. He began at the car show for sure. So what do you reckon about Edie's exhaust? I don't mind Freedom, they're a pretty good product. There's one that I'm looking at for this is called the Freedom Turnout. That's the one I'm leaning towards, because it's sort of it's different to that. I'll put a photo of it up on the screen here, but I reckon that would look pretty cool on this thing. But because Edie's the service guy at Sun City, he said they've got one there, so we'll just pull it out of the box and hold it up against this thing and have a look and see what we reckon. But I like the turnout for the fact that it turns out, you know, it doesn't look like every other 2-in-1 exhaust that you see. And I haven't actually seen one in the flesh, so that's good. This thing's not going to look like fucking everyone else's. Have a go at that. Beautiful day on the water. Well, Mother Nature really turned it on today. It started off as a shit fucking miserable looking day with fog, and it was cold and shit, but have a go at this. An hour later, welcome back to North Queensland weather. That is why we live up here, guys. God's country. I can't stop looking at the water. Shit, look at that. That's the guy. I'll have to park here because I'm not in the show.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
that's the car show done and dusted. The boys are staying there till 2 o'clock, but I'm doing a runner. So I'm pretty surprised at that. Actually, there's not one single bike that had a fairing on it, unless it was a bagger. God, I love listening to this thing idle. Never gets old. Actually, there wasn't even many diners there. There was a lot of softtails, well, apart from Luke's diner, but yeah, a lot of softtails, few baggers, not many diners at all. So my pick of the show would have to be that silvery blue coloured HQ Monaro. Fucking hell, what a beautiful car. That thing was just done so well. And that engine in that thing was 555 cubic inch, big block Chev. So that's impressive. And he drives it too, so it's not just a show car that sits in the shed all year and gets trailered everywhere. He actually drives it. With that many cubes under the hood, how couldn't ya? But yeah, all hidden wiring, like real smooth inner guards, nice interior, water meter, dash, cool shifter, just done exactly how I would do it. I would have painted a different colour, but each to their own there. But it's a nice clean car, suited that. So there you go, that's my pick of the show. Put in the comments which one you liked out of all the photos I took. But yeah, that's number one for me. Number two would be the HK Monaro that we actually saw on the ride there. So you would have seen that moving down the road in that start of the video. But that'd be number two. If I had to pick a third one, it'd probably be one of those F trucks. Well, there you go, guys. That was the Cyclones car and bike show. Hope you liked the photos and yeah, the little video. That was good, something to do on the Sunday morning, but I'm off. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, headbutt that subscribe button, and I'll catch you later, eh? See ya.